off this boat in half.
You already know what this video is about from the title, and so I'll show you where it got patched at. And it was from dragging it down a highway. I bought some flex tape, and this is the first time I've tried it, so we're gonna see if it'll work or not.
Oh, that's a lot of damage.
So I found a spot that might be good to test it. I'm gonna go walk over here and see if there's a better spot. So I'm trying to get in the habit of putting my phone in something to keep it dry just in case I drop it, because actually in a creek a few miles like that way, a lot of y'all know the story to that. I broke my old phone, and I'll show you a picture of it on Google Earth right here. I might make a full video of it sometime, but not right now. That was a process. I don't even know if the camera can see me because there's a lot of brush everywhere, but anyway, I might have to refilm it. But I don't hear any water coming in from the tape, so should be good. It's extremely shallow right here, so I'm gonna go somewhere different, and I'm gonna go out for a little bit, and then I'll tell y'all if any water comes in the tape. The flex tape's holding up really good. There hasn't been any water come in at all. Update. So I got back and I was about to start washing it, and I realized it didn't stay. I don't know if you can see that all right there. It's all weared away.